So in the last video, I see that a lot of you have commented on it and told me that yeah, so that you need to start online ground classes and all. At this point, I was just looking at it, and there are around what 60 comments on the same thing that yeah, we would love for you to vlog daily, and let's do it. I mean, I don't mind. It's pretty fun, and again, it will be a fun way to tell you more about aviation. आप ज़्यादा कुछ जान सकते हो on a daily basis. So yeah, like I was just going through the comments, and there are a lot of comments. I've replied to almost all of them, to be honest. And a lot of them are also saying that do it without subscription and stuff. Now, guys, you need to understand one thing that you know what. Let's just talk about it more briefly. Before that, welcome back to the channel, guys, and I hope you all are doing amazingly fine. Let's get started. So coming back to the topic कि क्या करें इस classes का. Now already we are taking classes, but that, as I said, are for students who are dedicated and I want to go ahead with CPL in their career. And like our aim is to basically help them clear the exams in one go, and that's what we are experts in, to be honest. Now the question is of starting it on a subscription basis. कि how do I make the tables, or how do I let people choose between what they want to do. Now I know that most of you जो CPL करना चाहते हैं, you have a little bit of idea of what the subjects are and stuff, but you actually do not know how much effort goes into it, or how much effort you will have to put into it over the time or of 3 to 4 months of this whole course. So what I was planning is कि मैं एक लाइव सेशन लेता हूँ, और उस लाइव सेशन में आप सब देख सकोगे, और आप सबको मैं बताऊंगा कि एक्चुअली सिलेबस कितना वास्ट है, हर सब्जेक्ट वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करके बताऊंगा कि कितना टाइम लगेगा इस सब्जेक्ट को कवर करने में, यार इस कोई और सब्जेक्ट को कवर करने में. सो यू गेट अ fair idea of how much work me or my team has to put into it. So this will give you a brief idea of what you are, how much you're actually paying and how much you're getting out of it. ठीक है. Now, as I said that मैंने Maverick Aviation इस aim से शुरू किया था कि I can help more and more people and at the most reasonable price. Because if you see the amount of hard work that goes into teaching, or that goes into knowing about stuff before I actually sell it out to someone or teach someone, is a lot. Okay, it's like almost 3 years of hard work that me and my team have put into it to come where we are at this point, or till now. From the point we started to the point we are charging right now, we have barely increased anything. Okay, and the market standards are crazy. I mean, जो लोग एविएशन कार में जरा सी भी खबर रखते हैं, जिनको पता है कि how much people charge, and if you come and check my brochure, you'll understand what I'm trying to say. But anyways, that's not the point of it. So I was planning to start to do a live session, or maybe an orientation session over 3 to 4 days, जहाँ पे मैं CPL के बारे में हर एक चीज़ A to Z I will tell you, and you will get a brief idea, and only then you can go ahead and join the career. Because see, आप बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, ठीक है. Becoming a pilot, it's very glamorous and it looks very nice and all, but trust me, the amount of hard work, the amount of struggle that you have to go after your CPL is much more than what you have to do during your CPL. So this is something that you guys need to know before even coming into the field. तो यार, ये तो बात हो गई CPL की. ये तो मैं तो आपको 1-2 दिन में अपडेट कर दूंगा. अगर आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम फॉलो नहीं करते तो गो चेक आउट माई इंस्टाग्राम. आई विल कीप अपडेटिंग विद द लिंक ऑफ वेन एवर आई विल बी डूइंग द सेमिनार और वेबिनार, एंड यू गाइज कैन लॉग ऑन टू इट. आई टेल यू इफ कितने लोग मैं लूँगा, if there are any fees, what it will be, and all of that. Because the main thing is that I want to segregate the masses जो actually serious है अपने करियर को लेके, और जो बस they are like कि चलो मुझे CPL करना है. Because trust me, in the last 3 years, we have instructed at least 1,000 to 1,200 students, and out of that, barely I would say that 500 to 600 were actually serious about what they are doing. तो ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर हो जाता है कि अगर मैं मेरा टाइम, मेरा एफर्ट, या मेरी टीम का टाइम और उनका एफर्ट डाल रहा हूँ, तो आई नीड टू पुट इट ऑन पीपल हु आर एक्चुअली इंटरेस्टेड, और एक्चुअली हु आर गोना डू इट. नाउ सी, देर आर टू थिंग्स दैट कैन अफेक्ट योर करियर एज अ पायलट. एक तो होता है your own caliber. As I say a lot of times, I know a lot of people might not like this, but it is what it is. Not everyone is meant to be a pilot, just like not everyone is meant to be an astronaut or a physicist or a scientist or a doctor or a teacher or whatever. हर एक का एक skill set होता है, and you need to chase your skill set. Just because या ये अच्छा दिखता है, ये pilot है, मैं उड़ूंगा, I'll get this, I'll do that, blah blah. उसकी वो reason नहीं होता यार just to become a pilot. you're spending so much money of your parents at something. If you're not liking it, there's no point of doing it. Okay, so you need to choose what is the best for you. If yes, you're an aviation enthusiast and you love aviation, no doubts, we are here to help you. So वो मुझे segregate करना है. So this only happens when when I'm capable of knowing the people who are here. Because अगर जो कोई किसी को 100% इस चीज़ में डालना है, so he will not think कि हाँ मुझे ये नहीं कर सकता मैं, और I will not do this or that. Even if it's minimal, it is important, क्योंकि जब आपको कोई चीज़ फ्री में मिलती है ना, तो आपको उसकी वैल्यू नहीं होती. ये एक सिंपल लॉजिक है, एंड दिस इज बेसिक साइकोलॉजी. Okay. By the way, I love psychology. I read a lot of books on psychology. If you guys need suggestions, put it down in the comment. I'll suggest you some books. They will help you understand people's point of view, or knowing people's point of view is, trust me, it's a major superpower. Matlab, for me, it's a superpower because so that I can know what the other person is thinking, and it's good in my field of teaching and education and everything as well. So yeah, that's about it. यार, और एक मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है पता है कि I literally have a habit of losing or screwing up पेन ड्राइव्स और स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस. तो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली 2 पेन ड्राइव परचेज़ किए थे, और मुझे पता नहीं मेरे साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम है, वो हमेशा करप्ट हो जाते हैं. लास्ट 3 मंथ्स में आई परचेज़ 2 to 3 पेन ड्राइव्स, एंड ऑल ऑफ देम हैव स्क्रूड अप. तो आज मैंने एक नया वाला ऑर्डर किया है. So this is something that I wanted for a long time now, since most of my devices now, I work in a multi device ecosystem. Like I use Windows, I use Apple, एंड दोनों के, एक लाइटनिंग का भी यूज़ करता है, कोई टाइप यूज़ करता है, कोई USB 2.0 यूज़ करता है. सो इट्स अ पेन इन द एस टू गो बिटवीन देम. बट ऑल ऑफ माय डिवाइसेस हैव वन थिंग इन कॉमन, दैट इज टाइप सी. सो मैंने एक्चुअली एक अच्छा वाला पेन ड्राइव कल ऑर्डर किया था, जो अभी अभी आया है थोड़े टाइम पहले. आई जस्ट शो इट टू यू गाइस. और एक मैं एक बहुत मस्त वाला वीडियो प्लान कर रहा हूँ. आई वॉज जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू one of the person I follow on YouTube. Amazing guy. I'll tell you the channel. He's an amazing videographer and everything. So उसका मैं channel follow कर रहा था, and I saw a video that he made, and I thought you guys will love it as well. तो मैं वो soon it is a little cinematic with B-rolls and stuff, तो बनाऊंगा. तो ये है वो मेरा pen drive. This is a SanDisk Type C Go USB. तो this basically has a Type C come USB 3 2.0. So this will help me connect with all my devices. So अभी मैं इसका आपको बताऊंगा. I'll review this and I'll tell you how this is and how does this work. This variant is 64 GB. I've ordered one more. I've ordered a flash drive as well, which is 500 GB. वो आ जाएगा कल या परसों तक. So after that I'll tell you about this. So I'll tell you how this is. ये बोल तो रहा है 150 Mbps रीड और राइट स्पीड है, बट मेरे को लगता तो नहीं है करेगा इतना. हीट अप हो जाते हैं यार ये. आई होप ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा लास्ट करे मेरे लिए. क्या रे कालिया, ये देखो कौन है तेरा से हेलो. ये है हमारा प्यारा छोटा सा टेरा, जो हमारा प्यारा बच्चा है सबसे. अभी टेरा का बर्थडे कब है? टेरा तेरा बर्थडे 10th में ना, 10th में. यस. सो देयर वी आर अगेन. आज के लेक्चर्स ख़त्म हो चुका है और अभी बस थोड़ा सा रेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. सो लास्ट मेरा आरटी का लेक्चर था एक, जो मैविक का था. उसके पहले PFC का था, और उसके पहले और एक लेक्चर था जो मैविक का था. सो अभी हम खा रहे हैं Alfonso mangoes. So these are the best. They are called the king of mangoes basically. और ये हमारे गांव से आता है. So these are amazing. Trust me, amazing. If you haven't eaten Alfonso mangoes, you need to try them. Also मैंने फिर से अभी स्टार्ट किया है मेरा Clash of Clans खेलना. So यार हाँ, एक्चुअली तुम में से कोई खेलता है Clash of Clans, तो जस्ट टेल मी यार. मेरे को कमेंट्स में लिख के भेजो अपने क्लैन का ID, सो आई कैन जॉइन इट. मेरा फिलहाल अभी टाउन हॉल 10 पे हूँ मैं. जस्ट स्टार्ट किया. आई हैवंट प्लेड फॉर लाइक 2 years, बट आई एम रियली गुड एट द गेम. एंड मेरे को ऐसे स्ट्रैटेजिक गेम्स थोड़े ज़्यादा पसंद है, जिसमें यू हैव टू बिल्ड, यू हैव टू create your empire and everything, and then go and target other people on the multiplayer channel and stuff. So it's pretty fun. So कोई खेलता है अगर Clash of Clans तो बताना, I'll join it. Also मुझे एक्चुअली नीचे जाना है थोड़ा कार चेक करने. There's some issue going on with the car, so I'll take you down and then we'll see what it is actually. So I'll just finish up my mangoes. मैंने already 8-9 पीस खा चुके हैं, जितने बचे थे 2 पीस बचे एक और खा गए. And I'll go down and then I'll take you guys alongside. So 2 minutes. So actually, there was some issue that was in my car. अभी like my dad had मेरे डैड लेके गए थे तो मेरे ड्राइवर ने बोला कि कुछ तो इंडिकेशन आ रहा है फ्रंट स्क्रीन पे. So now one good thing about such cars is that you get all this. There are so many sensors that every single issue that is there can be fixed out easily. So I'll just go and check. Okay. So I'll just go down to the car. I'll see what the issue is, and फिर आपको भी बताता हूँ how it looks like in when you actually sit in the cockpit. Okay. Yeah, I'm used to seeing the cockpit, so whatever. So चलो जाते हैं फटाफट. And so there it is. बहुत ज़्यादा दिन हो गए मैंने कार चलाए हुए, so मुझे भी नहीं पता कि क्या इशू आया suddenly. So there you go. This is my baby. So I bought this 2 years back, and since then this thing has been amazing. Actually, my car has a name. It's called Delta. I don't know why. I just like that thing. So अभी just देखते हैं कि now I just once you get in, you just get this pop out and I just see. अभी तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है. I think mostly चालू करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे messages तो फोन कनेक्ट. यूजुअली अगर कुछ इशू आता है तो सर्विस में मैसेज आता है. आई डोंट नो इफ द ड्राइवर सॉ इट रॉन्गली और व्हाट. फिलहाल तो कोई मैसेज नहीं दिखा रहा है. सो आई गेस इट वाज अ फॉल्स अलार्म और आई डोंट नो वेदर ही सॉ इट रॉन्गली. अभी तो कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा टाइम रुक जाता हूँ मैं और फिर हम चेक करते हैं कि कुछ इशू है या नहीं. और आई थिंक शुड आई गो फॉर अ ड्राइव. नॉट रियली. The problem is यार ये सब कोरोना का and all is going on, so I don't think that it's a right call to just go without reason. मुझे actually कुछ काम नहीं है. There is nothing wrong over here that I'm seeing on the display, so I don't think that it's a good call to go. Anyways, हम आ गए तो I'll just show you the car as well. If you want to see more about it, you can go and hit me in the comment and I'll show you exactly what it is, when I got this, how I got this. That's a big question, I'm sure a lot of you have. So हम लोग वो भी बात कर सकते हैं. For now, I'll just show you the thing. So this is my baby. As I said, I call her Delta. This is a 2019 Mercedes GLC 220D. So the cockpit is pretty amazing. I mean, I love this car because of the amount of luxury and the amount of comfort it has. So the one thing in my family is that हम लोग के पास हमेशा से SUV था. So actually when I went to buy this, I didn't have the budget to get this one, to be honest. And but my dad was so reluctant on getting a sedan. I wanted to buy a CLA, the petrol version, which was amazing. Like I that was the car that I actually went to buy. And then my father was like, I'm not gonna let you buy this sedan. I'll not be comfortable. I'm like, you can get a new one for yourself. He's like, nahi, अगर तू ले रहा है तो you get a good one, you get a bigger one. I'm like, this is already a good car. He's like, no, तू वो ले या तो फिर तू कुछ और ले. So I had to put in a little more, not little, quite more in getting this one. But trust me, I have never regretted it. This thing is amazing. I mean, I love this. You can't feel even if you have a 800 900 kilometers drive. तुम आराम से कर सकते हो. तुम उठने के बाद तुमको ऐसा फील भी नहीं होगा कि यार मैंने इतनी गाड़ी चलाई है या some pain or something. Usually if you drive a sedan, your seating position is pretty cramped up. और depend करता है कार पे, but most of the sedans you're very low. This you're very high, plus for my height this is like perfect. I'm not too tall, I'm like 5'9", but again इसके लिए I feel very comfortable while driving this, even in the city or when I'm going out for drives or something. So it's amazing. So यार बंद कर लेते हैं, अभी कुछ काम तो है नहीं यहाँ पे, फालतू में नीचे आ गया था मैं. So anyways, we'll go back home and I want to tell you a little more about what I said in the morning about the ओरिएंटेशन एंड स्टफ. तो हम घर पे जाके फिर वहाँ पे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. So guys, I was saying that in the morning when I'll be doing a session very soon, an orientation session very soon, where you can register. And with respect to that, the registration link for that session will be will be down in the description. Whoever is interested, I will put the details on my Instagram handle, which is right here. You can go and check it out over there. You can The form will be on my bio there and in the description out there. You can fill it up if you're interested. Whatever I will be charging for this particular registration, if at all or if it's free, it will be up in the on the form, and you can do the procedure accordingly, and you can join in with me. If you're serious, do it. It'll be amazing. It'll give you a very brief insight on what CPL is, how to go about it, whether you're the right person. I also talk about aptitude, about what type of personality you should have, if at all there is something that you're lacking, how to work on it, and all of that stuff. So, I guess you like this vlog. If you did it, if you're watching it till here, do not forget to hit the like button. Also, comment down below if you want me to put something more in the next vlog, or anything you want me to talk about in the next vlog. Want to know about me? You know what to do. So with that said, take care, stay safe, stay home, and like I always say, guys, stay golden. Yeah, I don't want to put the camera off usually like I do. Like, it's kind of boring, is it? Is it not? Let's just leave it today like this. See you in the next one. Bye bye.